Hello students, welcome back to my channel Max Logic Solution. Today we are discussing about the problem related to work and time. You heard about that? Yeah. Then almost all type of competitive exams are covered this type of problem. So you don't worry, I will give you tips to solve these type of problems. Generally we have to how to solve this problem and using a small tips to solve this type of problem. Then first you read this problem 2 or 3 or 4 times. If you get an idea about this question, then up to that time you can read this problem 2 or 3 or 4 times. Okay, so we first read that one. A and B together. This is the small tips they are given to in our question. A and B together can do a piece of work in 16 days. And next one is A alone. A alone can do it in 24 days. Yeah, A alone can complete this work in he is taking 24 days to complete this work. Almost all work are completed using 24 days. But in the above case, A and B are both together. They are together, which means that A plus B together complete the work, together complete that particular work in 16 days. Okay, they are both take 16 days. So, suppose that our work is considered as 1. It can be considered as the work is 1, which means that A plus B can be completed the work. They are taking 26 days to completing the work 1. That work 1. They are A plus B together completing the work in this work can be considered as 1. Okay, using 16 days. Then A plus B completed their work in 1 day. They are taking a 1 day, so our work become 1 by 16. They are using 16 days to complete the work, that is equal we can consider as 1, and they are taking only 1 day. Their first day they complete the 1 by 16th part of their work. Same way, the A can take the 24 days to complete the work in 1. They take the 24 days to complete all works are we have to consider as 1. And A taking 1 day in his first day he completed 1 by 24th part of work. 1 by 24th part of work. Okay. So we can consider this one is the first equation and this one is the second equation. So you move to your question. How long would B take to complete it in alone? So then we use A plus B. A plus B is equal to 1 by 16 and A is equal to 1 by 24. Okay, then from these two equations, we get the value of B. How we can get the value of A? Then there is a positive equation number 1 and equation number 2. You just subtract 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, then we have to subtract these two equations. So, A cancel. So, our B is equal to 1 by 16 minus 1 by 24. 1 by 16 minus 1 by 24. Then as usual, we can use the LCM method, and first you find the LCM of this 16 and 24. Yeah, this is 8 and this one is 12 and this one is 2. 4 8s are 8s and this one is 6 and this one is 2 2 3 and this one is 2 1 3 and this one is 3 1 1. This is the ladder method to solve the LCM. So our LCM become, what is our LCM? Yeah, that become 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is our LCM. So 4 into 3, that is equal to 4 into 12, that is equal to 48. So yeah, this is 48 is our LCM. After that, we can consider these two fractions. 1 by 16 can be changed into the fraction 48. 48 is your LCM. So if you don't know the subtraction of fraction, you move to in my previous video I will discuss this fraction subtraction, that videos. Okay, so you first saw that video and try to solve this problem. So here is a 16. So we move to this here. Here is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Then 16 into 3. So we multiply with 3, you get 48, that is equal to 3 by 48. The same way we can consider as 24. How we can we get the value of here is 48. Yeah, here is 24 into 2. 24 into 2 is 48. We can multiply it with 2, that is equal to 2 by 40. Then we substitute these values in this equation. B is equal to 3 by 48 minus 2 by 48, which is equal to 1 by 48. So we can complete the work, 1 day's work in 1 by 48. 1 day's work is 1 by 14th part can be completed in his first day. So we take 48 days to solve, to complete that work. Clear? Have any doubt about this problem? Please comment on my comment button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. If you want more these type of problems, please comment on my comment button. Then I will provide these type of problems through my YouTube channel or my Telegram channel. Okay. Thank you.